Hey everybody, we're out here in the driveway today working. What we're going to do today is Mindy's brake light has burned out. So I got these AUTOONE LED brake lights. We're going to swap them in. This is a very easy process, very simple. You get them. These are not directional, so once you replace them, it's very easy. Some of them LEDs are directional. You put them in one way, they work, the other way they don't. But the way you get to your brake lights here is you will have 3 clips. 1, 2, and 3. I grabbed them with my fingers and just pulled them. They came apart. And then you just grab this here. You will pull it down out of the way like this. And it's this bulb down here. So you reach in. What I do is I unclip it first. Pull the wire out. Make sure you pull on the plastic part, not the wires. Give it a twist left. It is a little snug. So pull it out. Steve, pull that guy out of there. Okay. Need one of those. Okay. Goes in just like a regular bulb. Okay. We put it back in. Put it in. There are teeth. Give it a little twist. You will feel it get snug, and you'll feel it, hear it snap. Put your wire back in. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll turn on our running light. So as you can see, they're on. Now Steve will hit the brakes so we can see what it looks like when it's lit up. Yep. If you notice this one too, let off, Steve, hit it again. It actually flashes whenever you hit the brake light. It's definitely very bright. All right. So now we'll do the other side. I've already got both sides installed. Back in. See. All right, Steve, hit the brakes. I like it how it's bright. Yeah, that's a big difference. That's all there was. 5-minute job. Definite way to get your attention. Wish there was a way to change that third one up there to this. But so now she's got turn signals and brake lights. Now all she needs is reverse lights. I'm not a real big fan of LED headlights, but I do like all my accessory bulbs like that. So we may do turn signals next. I eventually want to do fog lights too. But that's all there is. I really like these AUTOONE. I'll put the link in the description. So if you need some of these, let me know. Just go down there. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe too. Yeah, that's a big difference.